All right. Okay. Okay. Good morning, children, and Happy New Year. So, here you see, this is the story we are going to share today. Can you read this? Yellow color.
சிங்கத்தின் குகையில் சின்ன குருவி.
Okay, super. Anusha, can you read this in English?
The lion and the little red bird, Elisa Clement.
Okay, this is a story written by Elisa Cleven in English. All right, it has been translated in Tamil by, see, there is a writer below, it is given. Can her Srihari read? Vian, you know how to read?
Yes, no.
Vian, okay, Vian is very small. Okay, Srihari, can you read Ko? தமிழில்னு கீழே போட்டிருக்கு பாரு. Can you read that?
Go, ma, go, ilango. Go, ma, go, ilango.
Super, awesome. Okay, this is the story. So this has been written by Elisa Cleven. She is Elisa Cleven. Can you see? She has written in English about this story. Here you can see red bird. Isn't it? Red bird and the lion. That is the story. Are we ready? See the lion. Okay, right. Okay, everybody is seeing. So I'm sharing my slide here. Only you have to tell me it is changing or not. Okay, all right. So now what is the screen is coming to you?
Okay.
What screen is coming to you?
Okay, ma'am. Lion and the red bird, English, Elisa Cleven.
Lion
Translated in Tamil, Kolingo.
and go. Okay, super. So now we are ready to hear the story. Right. So long, long ago, there was a little. One second. What happened? Okay. Long, long ago, there was a little red bird. All right. Can you see the little red bird? Yes. Okay. And can you see the lion also? Okay. What is the color of the tail of the lion?
Green.
Green. Have you seen any lion in green color?
No.
Okay. So the lion has
No.
okay, the lion has never seen a red color bird. First time it is coming across a red color bird. For the red bird also, bird has seen the lion, but it has not seen a green tailed lion. Something new, right? So the bird keeps looking. Children, when you see something very, very new, surprise you are getting, how you will respond? What is your reaction? How do you do? Your mom gives us, Anusha, see, she's showing, Shriyari opening his mouth, like that. Vian, what will you do if your mother gives you some surprise? How happy you will be? Happy or sad? Happy. Okay, he's muted. Right. So both of them keep looking at each other. Like that, the bird is see the wide, the mouth, beak is open. The lion also looking. Wow, beautiful. I have never seen such a beautiful bird like this before. So they look like that. And the bird is thinking, what happened? Why the color of the lion is red? It does not know why. But it can't ask. No, it keeps asking. How does a bird sound?
Green. Not red.
Like that. How does a bird make noise? Like that, isn't it? So the bird's language is yes, Anusha, super. So the bird's language is kee only, but the lion's language is as lion roars. The bird keeps on asking kee. What is it asking? How is your tail green in color? But the lion does not understand the bird's language. So what is the lion saying? It is very happy bird. No, it doesn't want to scare the red bird. So it's not roaring. It just gives a smile. I like you. That kind of a smile it gives because they don't understand each other's language. Alright. So then the bird went to sleep and the lion went to its cave. Okay. Next day morning, the bird is still curious how this lion's tail is green in color. Like that, it is thinking. When the lion came out of the cave, it started following the lion. The bird started following the lion. You know where the lion went? Lion walked and walked and walked, and it went to what can you see on the screen? What's on the screen?
River water.
River water. What?
Quicksand. Two lions.
What is the color you can see?
Red.
Red.
Orange field.
Orange, orange field. Okay. So, you know where the lion went? The lion went to an orange flower garden. So, the bird is also following. The lion went to that orange flower garden and it was playing inside. It's going inside the plants and it is playing, it is turning back and it is rolling. All that he did. Okay. So full day it was spending happily in the orange color garden. Okay, the bird is wondering why it is playing, why it is not hunting and eating. Is it not hungry? You know, the lion does not hunt every day. The lion hunts once in 2 or 3 days or when it is hungry. If it is not hungry, it will not hunt, it will not eat at all. Okay. So the lion is happily playing, rolling, cuddling, wriggling, and full day spent in the garden. Now, after finishing the work, evening, when the sun started setting, the lion is going inside the cave. Where does the lion live?
Inside a cave.
Inside a cave. So the lion is going inside the cave. The bird was like following the lion, no? The bird decided, I am also not going anywhere. This lion is not like other lions. This lion is very special, isn't it? Why special? Why the lion was special?
It had a green tail.
It had a green tail. So the bird decided in front of the cave there was a huge tree. The bird decided, I will stay near the lion and watch the lion and find out why the color of the tail is green. So it has built a nest in the tree. Can you see the nest in the tree?
Yes.
Yes, the bird started living there. So the lion went inside the cave. The whole night it slept off. The bird also was watching. What will you see from the tree in the night? If you look into the sky.
Stars.
Yes, can you see the bird is watching?
Yes.
Yes, the lion, this picture is going inside the cave and the bird made a nest and it is watching the sky and happily singing and after some time it slept off. Okay, and the next day the lion came out of the cave. Can you see the lion coming out of the cave? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the tail color?
It's red, ma'am. Red.
Red,
Orange.
orange. Why orange?
Because he played in that orange flowers.
Yesterday it went and played in the garden, no? Orange flower garden. And the color has become, the tail color has become orange. The body is not.
Yes, it became orange.
The tail has become orange like Vian's t-shirt. Isn't it? Okay, children, you tell me, where do you see orange color? Where and all you see?
Orange. We see orange color in chameleons and that orange fruit and coloring books and
Super. Okay. What about Srihari? Where do you see?
In the sky.
In the sky. When
In
do
the,
you see in the sky?
in the evening.
Evenings you will see. Setting sun or rising sun is orange in color. Vian, where will you see orange color?
Evening, Bukit Panjang Plaza and shop is there. When I always go there, the sky will be orange.
Orange. Super. And Vian's t-shirt, like I said, is orange. Isn't it? Orange fruit is orange color. Isn't it? So like that we see in nature there are so many orange colors. And if you think the lion yesterday played in the garden, then it has become orange color. But the whole body is normal color. Only the tail is orange color. Is it not curious? Don't you?
Maybe the tail is attractive to colors.
I don't know. The colors cannot think. No, the colors are lifeless.
Or
Hmm.
maybe there is this really, like in the story you show that there is this beard thingy, the grandpa one,
Okay.
and like that only there's in there his tail there's some fairies who are attracting all the color into the.
Okay, maybe fairies were there. Let us see what happened. Even the bird does not know. Bird is like waiting for the lion to come out. Will it come with a green color today also? Like that, the bird is thinking. When it comes with the color, I will ask the lion why the tail color is green. But today, when the lion came out, the tail color is orange. The bird really does not know. Again, looking at the bird, lion is very happy and it gave a broad smile because though they don't understand their language, the lion likes the bird and bird likes the lion. All right. And now you see what happened. The lion smiled at the bird. Okay, other than that, they don't understand each other's language. The lion started walking very majestically and walked and climbed the. Where is it going? Where is it climbing? The lion. Can you see the picture? What comes in the picture?
Up a hill.
Ah,
A mountain.
the mountain. Lion started walking and started climbing mountain. The bird is following. Can you see the bird following? The little bird is behind the tail of the lion, correct? The bird is following. It's very curious. First day it was green color, the tail. The second day the tail was orange color. With that orange color tail, the lion is giving a smile and walking up the hill. Where the lion is going? Do you have any guesses, children? What do you think? Where is it going? Any idea? Yes, Anusha, tell. Everybody can talk. Don't unmute and talk.
Maybe it's going to the mountain and going to heaven.
Okay, maybe going to mountain.
Why are there less people today?
I don't know. You tell me. Maybe New Year. You should call
Maybe
it.
they maybe they went to their native place for New.
Maybe they went for some outing or something. So they'll watch in YouTube. All right. So the lion is going to the mountain. Srihari, what do you think? Why is it going to the mountain?
To see the world.
To see the world? Okay. Can't you see from ground? Do you have to go to the mountain to see the world?
Because it can help it from seeing and the trees will not block it.
Okay, okay. Without blocking, it can see clearly. Okay, so I also don't know. We'll see why it is. Okay. So where did it go? What do you see in the picture?
A pond with some flowers.
A pond with some water body, isn't it? The lion went up the hill, no? Then the other side of the mountain, there was a beautiful lake. There was a beautiful lake. The lion saw the lake and just slowly, when you see the water, what will you do? When you go to the beach, you'll go and jump inside the water?
Slowly go inside the water.
Slowly go inside, isn't it? First, we'll go and stand there. The waves will come and touch our legs and go, and then we start playing, taking the water in our hands. Slowly we'll go inside. So like that the lion also, first it just went near the water, touched the water with the leg, and then put all four legs inside the water, and then it started enjoying and went inside, and it started completely, it just lied down inside the water, and the sun on top. Okay, the water is also getting little warmer. It was cold and it is slowly getting warmer. The lion is enjoying the blue, serene, pure water from the other side of the mountain. The bird is also kept on watching. Okay, the lion, what is it doing now? Like that, it kept on watching. The lion's tail is on top. You see, it just keeps it on top like this. I don't know why, isn't it? So then the tail, maybe it was thinking it is orange color. No, it doesn't want to remove the orange color. So like that and all, the bird was thinking. After enjoying the water till the evening, it started walking back again to the home, to the cave actually. So the bird also followed it. See, the bird came and sat on the nest, and the lion went inside the cave to sleep for the night. You know, the next day morning, when the lion came out, what is the color of the tail?
Blue.
Ah, blue color. The bird is watching again. First day, what was the color?
Green. Next day orange and next day blue.
Ah, next day blue.
Green, orange. Oh.
Green, orange, blue. So the bird is going and is asking the lion again. How will the bird ask?
Kiki. Tap tap tap. Kiki.
Kiki, 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 like that. Yes, Anusha, right. So it is going and talking something. Did the lion understand the bird's language?
No.
No. The lion again gave a smile and started walking outside. And the bird also followed it. So where do you think the lion went? Children, what do you see here in the picture? The lion is playing with some
Butterflies.
butterflies. Where will the butterflies be?
In the field.
In the field, isn't it? In a garden, in the field, like that, the butterflies will be there. So the bird also went, and the lion likes the bird also, right? And the lion is playing with the bird, the red bird, and the butterflies, and few more birds also came there. So they were all happily playing for the day. Okay, and then the lion started walking towards the house in the evening. Can you see the picture? How the birds are playing happily with the lion. Okay, the bird started following the lion wherever it is going, and see, enjoying. The garden is there, no? The garden. Okay, what is the garden it is going today after playing with the butterflies? What can you see on the in this picture? Which garden the lion goes?
Strawberries. Strawberries.
Strawberry or cherry? Isn't it? Cherry or strawberry garden it goes. So it is going and enjoying itself like the second, the what to say, the lake. Yesterday it went, no, like that it was enjoying in the cherry garden. Again it is going inside the tree, I mean the cherry trees and all, cherry plants, cherry trees, cherries have fallen, some cherries have fallen on the ground. So the lion is going and fully sitting, rolling down, lying down on the ground and playing with the cherries. And the bird is also watching, sitting on a tree and watching the lion. And sometimes both of them come, the bird will sit on the lion and they'll be happily playing. After finishing, the lion again went to the cave. The lion again went inside the cave. So what is the color of the tail till now? What is the color?
Blue.
Blue color, isn't it? The tail color to that day is blue color. Right. Now, again the lion, by the evening, it walked to the cave. It went to sleep in the inside the cave. The bird is sitting on the tree. You know what happened that night? That night it started raining heavily. That night, the blue color tail, no, that with that blue color tail, the lion went inside the cave to sleep. It started raining very heavily, and the bird is only sitting on the tree. No, it does the all its nest has fallen down, washed away with the nest has been washed away with the rain. When the nest is washed away, what will happen to the bird? What will happen to the bird?
There will be no shelter for it. The
No,
bird will get wet.
the bird will get wet because there is no shelter for it. And hearing this noise, when it rains, even the lion can hear the noise of the rain. No, the lion suddenly woke up and said, "Oh my God, such a heavy rain! My friend, the little bird must be getting wet and shivering. Let me go and help." So the lion came outside of the cave and went to the bird and jumped on the tree and beautifully took the little bird and took it inside its cave. The inside the cave will be warm or cold? What do you think?
Warm.
Warm, isn't it? Outside it is raining, but inside the cave it will be very warm. So the lion took the bird inside the cave. So the bird felt a little comfortable and then it felt very warm. The whole night, okay, they slept. The lion slept by in its bed and the bird also slept by the side of the cave. The night you cannot really see anything, right? Can you see anything in the night in the cave? No, it will be quite dark, completely dark. So both of them slept happily. Next day morning, when the bird woke up, what it could see, on the walls, the cave walls inside, there were beautiful paintings like this. See, is this painting beautiful? Yes or no? What is in the painting? Can you check?
A peacock, fishes, plants,
Hmm. Yes.
and
Okay,
stars.
yeah, stars, plants, flowers, peacocks, and there are many, and lotus is also there like that. The walls are painted beautifully. One painting is in blue color, one painting in orange color, and one painting in green color. Can you see this here? The bird, the garden, again the tiger or the lion. So many pictures are there, isn't it? So every picture is in different colors. So why do you think the pictures are in different colors?
Because the lion painted the pictures with its tail. So
Yes.
the tail is color.
Super, super. The bird was like looking, wow, awesome. If somebody has a house like this, we should all keep our houses very beautifully decorated like this. So the bird is enjoying. But still, the bird is wondering, but how this lion's tail alone is becoming different colors? And then the bird realized, it just looked around and there were small shells like thing with water and the color in that. One bowl was orange in color, one bowl was green in color, one bowl was blue in color. So, which means every day the lion goes to that particular garden. Cherry garden will be red color, isn't it? And the water will be blue color. So, it just goes and does what? It just rolls inside, no? So, it brings some color and puts it in the bowl. And with its brush, like Sri Hari told, with its brush, it just dips the color and it starts painting on the cave walls. That is why next day the lion comes out, the color of the painting will be stuck, or the brush becomes the color of the painting. So now the bird realized that bird is so happy. Wow, my friend lion can paint also. That is why. Oh, it found a secret, no? Initially, first day, did it understand why the color of the tail was in different color? It did not know. But today, after few days of following, that the bird, red bird, know that the lion paints with its tail because it is like a paintbrush. And that day onwards, the lion and the bird, they were always together and they enjoyed being together. Wherever the lion go, the bird will follow. They both don't know the language, but they are very happily talking to each other, smiling and playing and jumping all around. So that is the story of the lion and the red bird. Children, is the story nice? Yes or no? Did you like it or no? Yeah, super, isn't it? Super, super. Which part of the story did you like the most? Which? No
In the
part.
painting, the last part.
Last part. Why?
Because the paintings was fun, beautiful, and it was pretty funny that the lion painted with the tail.
Okay, super, super. So, Anusha, what did you like?
I liked it when the lion is enjoying in the orange flowers.
Okay, the orange flowers. Super. Vian, what did you like? You did not like anything? This means you don't like. Why don't you like? Why? You're showing like this, you're Nova. Why you like the story like this? You don't like the story like this. You are showing both. என்ன பிடிக்கல உனக்கு? பிடிச்சிருக்கா பிடிக்கலையா?
I don't know everything.
You don't know everything. You couldn't follow. கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சா ஸ்டோரி? நீ குட்டி பையன் தானே, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வளர்ந்தா சரியாயிடும். He grows, then he'll understand fully. But did you enjoy the pictures? Vian, did you like the pictures? Pictures also you don't like? Why? Why? ஏன் பிடிக்கல? Because you are an artist. Vian's pictures are very nice. Vian can draw very well than the lion. அப்படியா? Is it so? Yes. Okay. So maybe Vian will draw the picture I showed. No, like that Vian is going to make one picture today and going to share with us in the next session. Next Sunday he will show. Will you draw a garden picture with orange color flowers and the lake and the red bird and the lion? Will you draw, Vian? Okay, so you will draw and show. So first let us finish this recording. Let us stop the recording. Everybody say, hey tail tribe. Can you?
Hey, tail tribe.
Hey tail tribe.
Hey, tail tribe.
Vian, you
I cannot draw a lion. It's so complicated.
lion is complicated. That's okay. You draw a garden. Okay, I'll stop the recording. Thank you so much, children. Now we will do the puzzles. Anybody is going to tell the puzzle?